My name is Rizwan. For a long time, I allowed the environment around me to control my emotions. If people around me were negative, my mood became negative too. If people complained all day, I also started complaining. If someone spoke harshly, I carried that anger inside me for hours. Because of this, my mind never felt peaceful. One year, I joined a new study group. At first, I felt excited, but slowly I noticed something. Most of the students constantly spread negativity. They complained about teachers, they mocked others, they laughed at people trying to improve. Whenever someone spoke English confidently, they made sarcastic comments. At first, I stayed silent, but after spending time with them daily, their mindset slowly started affecting me too. I became distracted. My motivation decreased. Even my confidence while speaking English became weak. One evening, I returned home feeling mentally tired. My older brother noticed my silence. He asked, "What happened?" I told him everything. I explained how the people around me were affecting my mindset. He listened quietly. Then he took a glass of clean water and placed it on the table. After that, he added a small amount of dirt into the water. The water immediately became dirty. He looked at me and said, "If you stay too long in negativity without protecting your mind, your thoughts also become polluted." Then he added, "But clean water can also clean itself if fresh water keeps flowing." I looked at him quietly. He continued, "You cannot always control your environment, but you can control what you absorb from it." Those words stayed in my mind deeply. The next day, I decided to change some things. I reduced unnecessary conversations with negative people. I spent more time reading, practicing English, listening to positive discussions. Whenever negativity surrounded me, I stayed calm instead of joining it. At first, it felt difficult, but slowly my peace returned. My focus improved. My confidence became stronger. And I realized something important. Your environment affects you, but it does not have to control you. If your mind stays strong, you can protect your peace even in negative surroundings. Now, whenever negativity appears around me, I do not absorb it immediately. I stay calm. Because I understand something clearly. Peace is something you protect intentionally. Final thought: do not let negativity enter your mind easily. Protect your peace carefully. A calm mind is powerful. Ending line: keep learning English. Keep protecting your inner peace. And always remember, you do not need to become negative just because your environment is negative.